so I'm Judy, I'm Erin, and I'm Via. And today, this is, well, my first video on my mummy's channel. So today we will be making slime. Yay! I'm like so excited. And I got the slime kit last Christmas and I haven't used it yet because my mummy said it would get too messy. But today we're going to be finally doing it. Yay! Okay, so I'm just going to take out this and some glue. It made slime! How do you make it that fast? Yeah, I don't know. Oh no! Got to pick it up. No, it got all over my face. Okay, my turn. I'm just going to quickly put this in the container. Okay, so can now I try? Oh yeah, go ahead. Okay, so let's go with this and some glue. Mine's so pretty. It's like a lovely blue colour. It got on my face. Okay, enough of getting stuff on your faces. Now it's my turn. Okay, don't take the whole box. Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna get this. This is so pretty. Oh no, I got on my face too. Okay, I'm gonna try to get out the pots. They're really hard to take out. Okay, there you go. Here's your pot. Thanks. And oh, don't take the whole container. Okay, and here is your pot. Thank you. Okay, so now this can go in the bin. I'll just put it here for now. And now let's play with our slime. Yay! Yay! Okay, I'm gonna take mine out. So fun! Got it on my face again. So fun to play with. I'm gonna take mine out too. Whoa! My mum's gonna be so mad. This is kind of awkward. Yeah, we're gonna just go home. Yeah, me too. Nothing happened. Let's just put this part. Let's hide it in here and try to scoop the slime out. No, it's just going worse. I'm in big trouble.